Next, let's just go take a look at the desktop tab under display properties and find out a way how to customize our desktop. As you can see, if you click on the desktop, you have a little preview of what your desktop looks like at the moment. This is also really the place where you can choose the desktop image that you wish to display on your desktop, and you have multiple options to choose from. As you can see, you can take a little peek on this small monitor on your screen and find out which one you want to apply. This autumn is one of my favorites as well. This is something that I really like. One desktop wallpaper that I really like. If you click on apply, there you go. Just take this out for a second to the right. It gives a pretty nice feel to your desktop, and you can easily change the wallpapers that you want to make appear on your desktop. There are quite a few images included within the operating system, including an option to choose or remove a background and perhaps just have one color displayed on your screen. As you can see, I can change the different colors that I want to make appear on my screen. If I click on apply, there you go. The option is taken away, and I only have a display properties tab, whereas the colors, the picture that I had is no longer there. And if I want that picture to be returned, I just click on apply again, and that should get back the picture that I wanted on my desktop. Also, you can browse to your own images on the hard drive if you have any saved. Let's see which one this is. It's wallpaper one. Really nothing to go by, but you can, if you have downloaded some images from the internet, or you have your own picture, perhaps you want to show off your style and glamour, you can display it on the desktop and well, make hay while the sun shines. Best opportunity to show yourself off without many people pointing you out, you know. Also, depending on the size of the image that you wish to display, you have a couple of options to choose from: centered, tiled, or display, or stretch for that matter. And as you can see in this little preview window on the top, each one of these options give you a different look and feel to your Windows desktop wallpaper. If you choose centered, you can see there's a lot of space left empty on the sides, and this is because this wallpaper does not fit your screen, and in order for this to fit your screen, you need to choose stretch. Another option is tiled, where a small picture, well, this is a pretty big picture, that's why you can only see a branch of a tree, but if one picture was just to fit just about this much portion of your screen, you would be able to view multiple pictures, multiple tile, as a tiled version of that picture. You would be able to view that on your desktop wallpaper. You can choose to customize the desktop even further by clicking on to customize desktop, and you have various desktop item options that you can choose. Over here you have the under the general tab, you have my documents, my computer, Internet Explorer, and network places. These are some of the options that if you check or uncheck will have those things displayed on your desktop. If I was to choose my network places and Internet Explorer, my clicking OK and then apply on the other screen over here would enable these options to be available on my desktop. These are the icons that you can possibly choose from to display each one of your folders. Suppose I choose on my documents and I want another icon displayed for that. These are the two available for the moment. If I click on this and click on OK, you can see there's a different file folder for my documents. If I want to revert back to the old one, I click on this one, and this should get me back to a simple My Documents folder, which really is a simple version of the My Documents folder. It falls the same for my computer. If you click on Change Icon, these are multiple options of icons that you can choose from. Really, this is the only one that makes sense, or perhaps this one. If you click on this one, this is what your My Computer is going to look like rather than what it does at the moment. This, although the one that we are using at the moment looks pretty flashy, change it back to normal. I don't want my boss to get tired of looking at my bogus screen. You have My Network Places once more. If you change icons, as you can see, there are a lot more options for My Network Places, and really something that comes in handy for you to personalize your desktop screen or icons anywhere else. And then you have the desktop cleanup wizard. Well, this really, if you have this checked, every 60 days the desktop cleanup wizard would clean up all the icons or shortcuts on your desktop that haven't been used for a pretty long time. And you have the clean desktop icon as well, where you can just click on clean desktop now instead of waiting for the 60 days. Really doesn't make sense, but a 60-day wizard cleanup is just an automatic update, and you can click on clean up desktop icons right now to do that yourself. If you click on the web, under the web tab, you can make your desktop appear to be like a web page, well, basically like a page that appears on the internet. So really, right click or clicking on my current home page, suppose I had yahoo.com chosen as my home page, that would appear on my desktop screen, and I would be able to just click on to it anytime I wanted as a normal desktop page, and it would have these icons remaining on the left. Well, really the novelty of a web page desktop wore away a long time ago. I really don't know anybody who's using it. I personally don't, but I just wanted to show you guys in case you want to have a desktop screen appear, well, a web page appear as a desktop screen on your front particular page. So let's just leave things to autumn, nice and relaxing, and what better way to end this movie?